In this video, I'll show you how to choose the best traders to copy on BingX so you can improve your results and avoid common beginner mistakes. If you don't have a BingX account yet, check the link in the description and pinned comment for lifetime trading fee discounts and sign-up bonuses. When analyzing a trader, start with their overall performance and P&L across different time frames like 7, 30, 90, and 180 days. Focus on consistency, not just high returns. Next, check key metrics like win rate, average profit versus loss, drawdown, and risk score. These show how stable and risky the trader really is. The Sharpe ratio is also important because it measures returns relative to risk. Also review what assets they trade, their trading style, holding time, and frequency to understand their strategy. Finally, look at copier stats like active copiers and assets under management to see how much trust they have from others. The best approach is to copy multiple traders instead of just one to reduce risk and improve stability. If you want to start copy trading on BingX, the link is in the description and pinned comment.